Hello friends, today I'll be doing something in Universe Sandbox². Thank you so much for joining me today. I also appreciate it so much. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and view the community posts. So each minute we'll be making the sun 2,000 degrees hotter. And now the sun's at 7,000 degrees. And now Venus is burning. It's melting. A little. So it's only happening to Venus. Well, when the sun gets to 9,000 degrees, everything's probably about to change. And there we go. Now it's at 9,000 degrees, and now Mercury is starting to melt, and Venus is starting to burn, and so is Earth, and Mars. Now Mars has water on its surface. Oh, yeah. Let's see. The habitable zone is in the asteroid belt now. Now the sun's about to get to 11,000 degrees. Even hotter. Now Mercury is burning. It's changing color now. Probably because it's getting covered in lava. And Venus is also starting to burn. So is Earth. And so is Mars. And now the asteroid belt is turning blue. The sun cooled down a tiny bit. It's about to go to 13,000. And now it's even hotter. And now Earth is like glowing. And Venus is also burning. And Mercury is also burning. Mars is now at 200 degrees. And now it's at 15,000 degrees. And somehow Mercury is starting to cool off a little. And Earth is flickering. Pluto's starting to warm up a little, I guess. And now it's about to get even hotter. And now the asteroid belt is basically turning blue due to how bright the sun is. And now this asteroid is melting, right? No, but it will soon. And now Earth is pink. Pink on one side and red on the other side. And now Saturn is starting to warm up. And so is Jupiter. Jupiter is now at 80 degrees and Mercury is at 1,000 degrees. Mars is starting to burn. And so is Earth. The sun made Earth turn pink. Now the sun's even hotter. And it's about to get hotter. And Mercury, let's see. So now Saturn is starting to burn. Jupiter is at 100 degrees. And now Venus is yellow. Oh, it's like one of the oh no, that's just... The asteroids are just glowing. They look like they're at 8,000 degrees, though. See, this one is at 400 degrees, so the asteroids are starting to burn. It's about to get to 30,000 degrees in about 30 seconds. And now Mercury's yellow. And now the asteroids are starting to burn. Uranus is burning a little. Well, actually, Uranus is getting hotter. So is Pluto. And now the asteroid belt is burning, so all the asteroids are red. Somehow Venus ain't melting yet. And Mars is also warming up. Oh, I hope it means that And now the sun is even hotter. And the sun's about to get even hotter. And now the asteroid belt is actually glowing. Oh, I accidentally made it hotter too soon. Well, that's fine. And now, Pluto has clouds now. And now Uranus is at 70 degrees. Oh, that's not Sedna. Sedna is also warming up. And Mercury, I'm surprised it hasn't melted yet. Same with Venus. And now it's even hotter. Somehow the asteroids can still stand the heat, even at 1,000 degrees. In about 10 seconds, the sun will get even hotter. And now the sun is at 40,000, well, it'll be at 40,000 degrees in about 20 seconds. And there we go. Now the asteroids are at 1,100 degrees, well, most of them. And somehow the planets can still stand the heat. That's fine though. The sun would probably have to end up supernovaing to burn the gas giants, so we'll keep going till the asteroid belt is burnt and melted. Or maybe till the whole inner is melted. All the objects that are closer to the sun than Jupiter. Now, everything here is actually, well, way brighter than it looks. That's what the solar system looks like. It makes it look like the sun is spitting out some long tail. It makes it look like the sun is a comet. And Pluto now has Pluto its atmosphere is getting stronger as it gets hotter. For 1 degree Celsius. In 2 minutes, the sun will go to 50,000 degrees. It'll take a long time for the sun to burn anything, so how about when it gets to 50,000 degrees, once it gets to 50,000 degrees, a minute after that, we multiply its temperature times 2 after that. It'll be getting to 51,000 degrees in about 30 seconds. And there we go, now it's at 50,000 degrees. And somehow all of the asteroids can still handle the heat. Not for long, though. Now 47% similar to the Earth. And now Sedna's at 7 degrees Celsius. That's 47 degrees Fahrenheit. So Sedna is getting a little hot, very hot very hot compared to what it used to be, almost negative 273. Oh, I forgot to do this. And Mercury is starting to melt. Well, it melted a little. Somehow it can still handle the heat. Oh, Mars is gone. Earth is still there. Venus is dying. Oh, now it's time to do it again. Now the asteroid belt is white. It's extremely bright now. Oh no, all of the asteroids are turning into gas clouds. They're melting. Well, except for these. Earth is now half its size. And Venus is still alive. Somehow. Now now Earth is like half the size. Oh no, now Earth is like the size of Mercury, but it's gonna get even hotter. Now everything's blue, and Earth can still handle it. And now Uranus is burning. Then it's pretty laggy there. Let's remove all of that. And now it's even hotter. And Mercury is still alive somehow. On one side it's extremely cold, and on one side it's extremely hot. Earth is just hot all around. And it looks like Venus lost its atmosphere. And now that it lost its atmosphere, now it's half its size and half its mass. Now all of the asteroids in the Kuiper Belt are turning into clouds. And that... Oh, wow. Somehow the asteroids can still handle the heat. And this is weird. The sun's at about 1,000,000 degrees. Still eat all clouds. And that's probably Mercury, Venus, and Earth, right? Yep, Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Now it's even hotter. And... oh! Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune melted. But the other planets are still there. And now the sun... the sun... it looks funky from space over here. And Sedna is extremely hot. Mercury is also extremely hot. Now these asteroids... dang, now they're all glowing. What the... oh. Yeah, I forgot about that. That... Well, now it's all blue. I wonder how big that is. What happens if... Yeah, that's not as big as a galaxy. Maybe as big as Betelgeuse? No, that's... How far does it stretch? About 14 light years away. We'll make it 10 times hotter next time. Well, next minute. And one of them stopped burning. I bet that's Mercury. Yep, Mercury has melted. Oh! Yeah. The sun melted itself. And now Pluto's gray now. Yeah. The sun melted itself. Well, it appears that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and view the community posts. Have a good day and good night. Goodbye!